texting and driving. That's not safe.
No, don't trip. Just chill.
Oh my god, you just hit a poor kid.
Oh crap.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.
Oh my god, you hit this poor man.
Oh my god, this has never been texted.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, are you okay? I'm okay, man. Wow, I'm glad you're okay.
Thanks, man, but I just had a major flashback from this incident. It's scary.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Oh my God, oh my